Welcome to icecloud. To get started, open your browser and go to icecloud.in. This is our homepage where you can find complete information about the platform and its features. To log in, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, simply create a new one. Once you register, our administrator will assign the appropriate roles for your access. After logging in, you will see several sections. Let's begin with the storage module. Click Storage, then go to File Drive. Here you'll find three main areas. My Drive. This is your private storage space. Only you can access the data stored here. Shared Drive. This section contains files and folders that other users have shared with you. Public Drive. This is a common dataset area accessible to all users on the platform. In My Drive, you can open any folder and share it with anyone. For example, here I am opening the Muldoc tutorial folder and sharing it with a user named Renu. You can share with multiple users as well. You can view file or folder properties and metadata. For supported file formats, we also provide preview features. You can quickly preview CSV, images, PDFs, and more without downloading them. In the shared drive, you can filter files based on who shared them with you. And of course, you can upload files at any time, and they will appear in My Drive. Next, let's explore the Container section. In the navigation bar under the Images tab, when you click on Image Library, it displays all the different types of images like Ubuntu, VS Code, Data Science, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and also images for databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL. So, in the image library, there is a wide variety of images for different purposes, including life sciences. Choose the image you require. It will redirect you to the container creation page, PU allocation, and memory allocation. Once configured, click on the Create Container button, which creates a container for your selected image. To access the container, copy the access code and click on the three dots in the action column of the container. Enter your username, and in place of the password, paste the access code you copied earlier. Click on the Sign In button, and it will give you access to your container. Using LS, you can see your personal, shared, and public drives. Inside the container, your file drive is mounted at /drive/icedemo, which means you can access your private, shared, and public storage directly within the container environment. After you are done using the container, go to the Instances page. Click on the three dots in the action column and select the Delete option from the menu. Once deleted, all assigned CPU and memory resources are released back to the system. Now we can run a Jupyter TensorFlow container using an image from the library. You can increase the memory allocation and CPU allocation according to your usage requirements. After clicking on Create Container, the pod is created successfully. Just refresh using the refresh icon, and you will see the pod is running. Next, copy the access code and then click on the three dots in the action column. Click on Connect and paste the access code in place of the password. Then click on the Login button. You will now see the Jupyter TensorFlow screen. On the left side, you can see your mounted data in the shared drive. In the RAM key folder, under Demo, there is the potato disease classification file. To run this file, click on File, go to the Kernel tab, and select Restart Kernel and run all cells. After you click on Restart, you will see that the program starts running and the output is generated. After you finish, close the window. To delete the container, click on the three dots in the action column again and select Delete. Then, go to the Images page in your icecloud dashboard. Search for the image named VMD. Click on the Launch button for this image. This takes you to the container creation page. Set the CPU, memory, and any other options as per your preference. After that, click on Create Container. Your container will now start running. Once it is running, copy password, then click on the Connect button to open the deployed desktop UI. Enter your username, paste the password you copied, and sign in. After login, you will see the remote desktop environment shortcut named VMD. This launches the VMD application. Now VMD opens with its main window. Go to File, New Molecule. In the Molecule file browser, click the Browse button. Navigate to the path. Click on the Load button. The molecule will appear in the 3D window on the right. Then, go to the Images page in your icecloud dashboard. Search for the image named N8N. Click on the Launch button for this image. This opens the container creation page. Set CPU, memory, and other options as you prefer. Then click Create Container. When it is running, click on the Connect button. This opens a new tab with the N8N. Enter all required fields and click Next to sign in. After login, the N8N UI will open. In the Images section, developers can instantly launch a fully configured development environment. Here, we select the Dev Container image and simply click Create Container. icecloud automatically provisions a ready-to-use container. Once created, we copy the generated password and paste it into the secure login. With just one step, your container opens inside a fully integrated VS Code environment right in the browser. Inside the IDE, simply select your username workspace and continue working exactly like you would on your local machine. Whether it's Angular, React, Python, or Java, the environment is ready out of the box. With a single command, you can run your Angular application directly within the cloud container. And icecloud automatically provides a secure public URL so you can preview, test, or share your running application instantly. Need a backend database? Creating one is just as simple. In the Images section, we choose the MySQL image and click Create Container. icecloud instantly spins up a fully functional MySQL instance. Your database container is now live, ready to connect with your application, run queries, or integrate with your full-stack workflow. With powerful development environments, integrated cloud IDE, instant URL preview, and seamless database provisioning, icecloud transforms how developers build, test, and deploy their applications. Now we will head to the pipeline section. These are the pipelines available on the platform. We will run the amliseq pipeline. This page shows the information related to the pipeline. Go to the parameters section and select the sample parameters. Enter the pipeline name and click Submit. Once it is running, you can view details such as execution logs, which were generated during the pipeline run. It also shows a list of all the processes and the result files. You can view the results right here. Thank you for using icecloud. This concludes the overview. Explore, experiment, and make the most out of our powerful cloud platform.